You do it again. Do it again. You are so talented.
It's like he's concentrating so hard.
Bennett is 5 months old. Smile, Bennett. Smile. I love you, Bennett.